Hello, everyone. Today we are diving into the heart of creativity and innovation in the Philippines, the Intellectual Property Code. We will be discussing the substantive rights that protect the fruits of the human mind. Intellectual property is not about physical things you can hold. It's about the legal rights resulting from intellectual activity in the industrial, scientific, literary, and artistic fields. In the Philippines, the law ensures that creators have the right to benefit from their own hard work and prevents others from stealing those expression of ideas. First, let's talk about copyright. In the Philippines, copyright protection is automatic. This means your work is protected from the very moment of creation. It covers everything from novels and songs to architectural designs and even computer software. Generally, these rights last for the lifetime of the author plus 50 years after their death. Next are trademarks. A trademark is any visible sign capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one enterprise from those of another. Unlike copyright, you must register a trademark with the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines to fully protect it. Once registered, it lasts for 10 years. But the great thing is you can renew it indefinitely as long as you are still using the mark. Then we have patents. This is for technical solutions to a problem. To get a patent in the Philippines, your invention must meet three criteria. It must be new, it must involve an inventive step, meaning it's not obvious to an expert, and it must be industrially applicable. A patent gives you a monopoly for 20 years from the filing date, in exchange for you sharing the details of your invention with the public. Beyond the big three, our law also protects industrial designs, which is the aesthetic shape of a product, and geographical indications, which protect products that have a specific reputation due to their place of origin, like our famous Guimaras mangoes. The goal of these laws is not just to protect the creators, but to encourage a culture of innovation that moves the Philippines forward. If you have a creation, the Intellectual Property Office of the Philippines is your partner in securing those rights. Thank you for watching.